Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fry Trains. Well folks, I thought we were complete with our fleet of Minecraft Ecto 1s, as we have now got a tutorial on the channel for all 4 different screen-used Ecto 1s from the movies, but I just came across this news story that there is actually a Ghostbusters Transformer crossover toy of Ecto 1 coming out, where it's red like this, and it's supposed to represent Ecto 1 painted up in Optimus Prime from G1's colors, and I thought it looked pretty cool, and since we already know how to build Ecto 1, it would be a quick little video we could do. So this is our Minecraft Ecto 1 painted up as Optimus Prime. French Fry Trains is a channel for adult railvans and Minecrafters, and is not intended for children under 13 years of age. This is a fan channel for fun. We are not affiliated in any way with Microsoft or Mojang. This is not an official Minecraft product. And as a friendly reminder, I do not take requests at all. Thank you and enjoy the video. So we're going to start off on the front wheel. So take out a block of coal and place it down. Put a stone button on the side. On the other side of it, 2 polished tough top slabs, and then another block of coal and a stone button on this side. On the front, 4 polished tough stop slabs coming across like this. And then behind it, coming off this wheel, we're going to do a line of top slabs, 8 blocks long in total, and then make it 4 blocks wide here. So it's an 8 by 4 behind the wheels here. Then behind this, 2 top slabs in the middle, and then we'll put a block of coal here and here for the back wheels, and a stone button on the side of each back wheel. And behind the back wheels, we're going to do 3 rows of 4 top slabs back here. Then on the very back, we're going to put 2 bamboo signs in the center, and come up front and do the same thing and put 2 bamboo signs in the center. On this next layer, put 2 deep slate brick blocks in the middle, and a ladder on the front of each one. Then an upside down mangrove stair going forwards on each front corner. Then behind this, we're going to put 2 red concrete on the middle between the wheels here. And above the wheel, we're going to put an upside down polished tough stair facing outward. And then an upside down polished tough stair on this side as well. Just like that. Then behind this, 2 red concrete in the middle and a polished tough block on either side. Behind that, go 4 wide of red concrete. And then we're going to bring red concrete down until it's just in front of the back wheel on either side. Above the back wheels, put an outward facing upside down mangrove stair on either side. 2 red concrete here, 2 here, 2 in the middle here. Then an item frame here and here, and put a lodestone block in each item frame. Now come up front in here, put a dark oak fence gate here, and a lever next to it. Then turn around, put 2 black stone brick stairs right here for seats. And then we'll go ahead and put 2 here, and then 1 going sideways here. Next, we're going to come up front and put a birch sign on this corner. And same thing on this side, a birch sign on this corner as well. Then on the very front here, we're going to put a glow item frame here and here. Then take out stained glass panes. And right across where this red concrete is, we're going to go 4 wide of stained glass panes here. And then add 2 stained glass panes on either side behind it. Then a single red concrete on each side. Then another 2 stained glass panes on each side. Then another red concrete on each side. Then behind this, we're going to go to warp slabs, put 2 here, 2 here. Then a forward facing warp stair on each back corner. And coming off those, an upside down backward facing warp stair here and here. Then 2 stained glass panes in the middle right here. Then take stained glass blocks and just fill in this whole middle here, all with glass, so that it's all filled in like this. Just like that here. Now we're going to detail the front hood, so come up here, put 3 mangrove trapdoors in a row on either side like this, and 2 rows of 3 red carpet in the middle to fill this in here. Then we're going to start working on roof detailing, and we're going to take out mangrove slabs here, and we're going to come on top right behind this first row of stained glass panes and go 4 wide of mangrove slabs up here. Then come to the back end, and on the back right here, where these stained glass panes are, come across here 4 wide with mangrove slabs. Then we're going to take a light blue bed, and we need to put it in the middle going this way, turn around and going this way right here, and that represents the light bar. And then put a temporary slab here on the back and here, and same thing, mount 2 back-to-back beds right here for the back light bar. Then change this under this bed back to a warped slab on either side, like that. Then right here, put 2 prismarine walls. On this side, put 2 dark oak fence gates here. Then we're going to take out end stone brick walls, and we're going to come over on this side and do a full row across here between the beds, like that. Next, take out deep slate tile stairs, put 2 forward stairs in the middle right here, and behind it 2 rows of deep slate tile blocks in the center. Then up here on this first block, we need to put a grindstone, but make sure it's going this way. On the front of it, crouch and put a glow item frame with a redstone block inside of it. Then we're going to come behind that grindstone and put a single polished diorite slab here. On this back corner, put a single lightning rod. Next to it, a polished blackstone wall. And then an acacia fence gate going this way. Then right here, a mangrove slab, prismarine wall, slab, slab. Next, we're going to take out skeleton skull, and right here we need one at an angle here. Then we need one on top of this lightning rod, and open a dark oak fence gate here. So it looks like that. Then we're going to put 1 skeleton skull here and here on the front, and on the back, 1 goes here and here. Then we're going to come down on the side here, put a temporary block right here, and put an angled skeleton skull on that. Take out the block and put a lever going up into it. Then in front of it, another temporary block with a straight skeleton skull, and take out the block. Then we'll put the mirror on the other side, so right here, put a temporary block, and then again put an angled skeleton skull and a lever coming up into it. Then behind that lever, put an item frame here, and same thing on this side, come over here and put 1 item frame right here. Then on this side only, in front of the skeleton skull here, do 2 iron bars like this for an antenna. Then we need to make some banners, so come into a loom with a yellow banner, an orange dye, put a vertical line on the left, put a black border on it, and then a horizontal in the middle. Then we're going to switch over, and we're going to do a red banner and white dye, put a white border on it, then a horizontal line in the middle, and a white circle in the middle. And this will represent the logo. So we're going to come and place this one on this item frame here. Same thing on the other side. And then the yellow ones for the headlights here. So come up here, put 1 on each of these item frames, and turn them so that the orange is on bottom of each side here. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our Ghostbusters Transformers version of Ecto 1. I hope everyone enjoyed the build here. Like I said, this really isn't in any of the fiction. It was just a cool toy that I saw the other day online and thought it was a cool idea to make to add to our Ecto 1 fleet. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.